Multi-member LLCs aren't always required. It depends on the state statute. In Texas, for example, a single-member LLC is fine. In Florida, for example, you need more than one member, and they also can't be married. What's important here to note is that you could file a Texas LLC and use that LLC in any state that you would like. When the court reviews whether to uphold that LLC in the other state, they're going to look to see whether that LLC is properly formed in the state of Texas. I recommend that you would form your LLC in Texas or a similar state that has very lax and strong asset protection laws, so that way you're not stuck getting caught on a technicality. My name is Scott Smith. I'm an asset protection attorney out of Austin, Texas. I'm a real estate investor, and I want to help you.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want more high quality content just like this, you can find it here on our YouTube channel or go into our website, royallegalsolutions.com. We have a ton of free content from our blogs, our videos, the podcasts that I have been featured on. Whatever question you have, we're going to have it there for you.